In today's video, let me show you how to use the Life360 SOS to alert your circle in seconds. Now this is a great feature inside of Life360, which is called SOS. You can simply tap on this option that is being displayed on the screen inside of locations, and once you tap on this option, the way that you use it is you can simply tap and hold it for a couple of seconds so that the SOS is enabled. When you do this, a countdown will start. You'll need to wait for 5 seconds and you need to wait for the countdown to finish so that it triggers a alert. So let me quickly show you. If you tap and hold this, you can see you can wait out a few seconds, and if you release it, this countdown starts, and if you do not cancel it within 10 seconds, the SOS will be enabled, meaning a loud siren will be enabled on your phone, as well as push notifications and SMS messages will be instantly delivered to your circle. So by using the exact method, you'll be able to use the Life360 SOS to alert your circle in seconds. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in the next video.